What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Rock from Flip the Thrift, the host with the most to boast. And we're at the Salvation Army and we're ready to get it on. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel and you're just tuning in, make sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell down there at the bottom of the screen, somewhere down there near the description, and you will get notified when I post new content. So today, I was supposed to meet somebody to get a Kid Cudi hoodie, and she hasn't contacted me back yet. I sent her 2 messages. She's not responding. I was supposed to go to the Salvation Army that was closer to me, but I ended up here. I put the one in Harrisburg in by accident, which is no big deal because there it is. There's Sneaker Villa over there, and we might just pop in. You never know. I might get it fitted for $5 or something. I'll poke around inside a little bit, and we'll see what happens. And we're definitely going into the Salvation Army because that's what the plan was anyway, just not in this town, not in this city. But, so, yeah, with that being said, let's roll. I got to move a couple things around in my car. I moved my stuff into my wife's car because she's using the van today because she is driving Amish wherever they want to go. And yeah, so yeah, we're gonna move some stuff around. I have my windshield wiper fluid. It's just banging around back there and it's making me crazy. And you know I love the Salvation Army, especially this one. For some reason, I don't know, I always find like really good stuff here, but lately it's been a little bit different. Like the last couple times I've came, probably found a few items, but nothing crazy, so we'll see. Alright, either somebody was like a big collector of scarves, because I don't understand why they would have so many. They are $4, which really isn't bad, but I haven't seen any, not one good one. Like nothing. They're all nice. I mean, a scarf is a scarf, but you know, they have to be, it's got to be the right thing. I'm looking for old, I'm looking for Burberry and things like that, and I'm just not seeing none of that. But you know, so time to move on. All right, so we did find our first find, and it's actually brand new. I think it took a while for me to sell the last polo one I had. This one is, it is a gift bag. I'm not sure if this one is better than some of the other ones I've had, but they were big like this too. But it's only $8, it's brand new. I'm definitely picking this up because this is probably like a $40 or $50 piece. Alright guys, so we're in the women's section, and I found a Pendleton only because it's only $4. It has a really cool pattern on it, but check this out. This is a real, making me cry just thinking about it. Look at this Land Zen. I mean, it's not like it's a Patagonia or anything. They cut the sleeves off of it. But look at the design, it's really cool. It's $5, but because they altered it, I'm just gonna pass. Alright, so this is obviously something that everyone missed. This is going to be $7.99. It's not on sale. It needs some work, but look, it's a full-length hooded Woolrich, and it's made in USA. I don't know if it's made out of wool. Let me check the tag again. The tag was hard to find because it's in the pocket. It's a wool blend, so it's 84% wool and then nylon. So that means it has like a stretch to it maybe, or something to make it stronger. But for $8, we are leaving with this bad boy. And it does have some pilling. It has pilling like nothing that my fabric shaver won't cure. It'll probably take me about 20 minutes to clean it. But I'm guessing it's more than a $50 sale right there. That's got to be like, it might be like $100. I'll have to look it up. Alright, I would have thought that this Mountain Hardwear would have been a little bit better. It's $14, so I'm going to leave it. There's one that sold for $10 plus shipping, and that's pretty low, so I'm going to not touch it at all. The jeans on these seem to be doing well. The LA Idol, it's like a cropped, what size? It's a size medium, but it's only $3. Green tag is half off right now, so I'm thinking that maybe I should just grab it. It is kind of cute. It's got the big stitch. The jeans do really well, but the jeans only seem to be selling for like $10, so maybe I should leave it. Let me try to Google Lens it. Okay, so I had to show my mother-in-law how to transfer her money from her PayPal. You actually have to click on the balance and it'll tell you to link your card or send to your bank or pay or whatever. But check this out. This is a pink Hanes Her Way. I'm gonna pick it up because of the color. It's not gonna be half off. It's gonna be $5, but I think I could probably get 20 for that. I need to start charging shipping, but this is a sweater and I probably will. But we got a bunch of LL Bean. I'm gonna have to look it up, but it's all on sale. It's all green tag and it's all brand new with tags. And I'm guessing that it's all vintage. I'm just trying to look to see if there's other items, like there's not just pants. I'm trying to look to see if maybe if there's sweaters or if there's yeah, like other items. So that's what I'm doing right now. All right, so I'm not gonna grab all of them. I'm not gonna grab the ones that are like plain. It seems like the corduroys are the ones and the cargo ones are the ones that are gonna do better. So, you know, why would I grab all of them? It just doesn't make any sense. I'm just gonna be, even though I'm only gonna be spending $3 or $4 a pair, still if I get, you know, a ton of them, it's gonna be a little costly. So I'm trying to do it the smart way. I'm gonna grab the ones that feel like wool. J. Crew, and I'm gonna grab the corduroy ones. Those are the ones I think are gonna do better. So with that being said, let's see what we got. All right, guys, since we have way too many, we're gonna pass on these. Like, I'm gonna pass on the ones that are plain, all the corduroy ones, basically. The herringbone ones, they don't seem to be doing well either. There's brown. The green ones are kind of cool, but these ones are okay too. I'm kind of feeling that design, but I'm gonna pass on them because I just don't want that many. We're gonna get the Woolrich, we're gonna get the Pendleton, we're gonna get the polo bag, and we're gonna get the Hanes. Okay, we found this is cool. It's gonna be $3. It's a Laurel Caverns, Uniontown, PA. It's really cool. It's got bats on it. I thought that was cool. Then we have this Giorgio Armani. I don't know if this is real or not yet, so we're gonna hold on to that one real quick. We found a Land's End chamois. Heard somebody pronounce that different the other day. It is what it is. Canali's a good brand. We're gonna go ahead and pick that up. We have a Gap clothing. Really cool. It's got like a flecked design. It's only $4. Perfect for right now. We found a brand new Marlboro Unlimited or whatever they're called. It's an extra large, a big size. It's only going to be $6. It's brand new. I don't know what they sell for, but this is Enrico or something. Is there a price on this? This is going to be $6, but I love the design. It's got a really, really cool design. I probably should go look and see if the pants are there before I leave. But then all the LL Beans that we are getting are going to be interesting or cargo. Like, basically all the ones I'm getting are cargo ones because I think that those ones are going to do a lot better. And summer's closer, winter's leaving, so I figure we are almost into February already. It's getting closer and closer. They do have plus sizes. I did look at them, but it's all the same stuff and there's no cargo ones, so which they probably sold first if they did have them. So we're going to go ahead and grab these because I don't want to spend a fortune on them. I don't want to invest too much in these because LL Bean's a good brand, but they're not vintage. They're not like super old, made in USA. If they were all made in USA, I'd probably buy all of them. I probably would spend $300 and buy all of them, but I'm not going to do that. All right, so I didn't find the pants to it, but we're going to go ahead and pick up this Giorgio Armani. It's only $4. I don't want to sit here and authenticate it, but I think this is old. I think it's vintage. I think the tag is at the top. It tells you the size. It's a 17.5. It is a Le Caliazzoni, whatever. But it does have the Armani symbol right there, which is good, which is definite. It's just like Brooks Brothers, you know. If it doesn't have the logo, nobody wants it. So, but one did sell for like $80. So we're definitely going to pick that up for $4, and hopefully it's real. All right, guys, so that is it. Met an interesting fellow inside, and he is part of a ministry. I tried to buy the best LL Bean that I could. I was trying to find the ones that were a little more interesting, like the ones that are lined. I don't know, like the cargo and things like that. The ones that are a little bit more interesting, since they are women's, and women's tend to take a little bit longer to sell. But the total was $88. We got all of that stuff right there. I think we did really well. I think we're going to do really well with the LL Bean. Plus we found, I think that if we're lucky, that Armani shirt will pay for the whole haul. So I'm absolutely thrilled. Plus this is a really nice polo bag. I'll make sure I get some really good pictures of that. Get that up quick. Yeah, so I think we did all right. That Gap sweater is pretty cool too. They tend to take a little bit more time to sell, like, you know, but plus we got Canali. Canali's a really good brand. And I think while we're here, we can't not go over and look at some sneakers and some hats, and then we're gonna go home.